Good morning, all of you. This is Rachna Saxena from Faculty of Education, Tirthankar Mavi University, Muradabad. In my last lecture, I have provided the description of emerging trends and the ICT in teacher education. In the present lecture, I will describe emerging trends in teacher education. So let us go for it. A quality teacher education program is rational and streamlined to address specific pedagogical issues. It elucidates the ideas about what constitute good teaching and content and scope of coursework and practical experiences. Teacher education courses are very much connected to practice as well as the theory. High quality teacher training programs have students studying to be teachers and working continuously with expert master teachers. Teacher education program focus to build teacher proficiency and competence. Candidates are able to face new challenges in educating students. In today's world, the demands on teachers are increasing. They must be able to create understanding with investigate minds, assimilating the required transformation and accommodating and responding to universal needs. The need for teacher education programs to be innovative and encompasses various approach and practices is also discussed. It is recognized that teacher education programs should be structured and modified so that teacher candidates learn to respond dynamically to new problems and challenges in the field of education. With this knowledge and skill, future teachers can lead and guide the development of the country. Emerging trends in teacher education reflect the evolving needs of the education landscape, driven by technological advancement, changing social expectation, and new research in pedagogy. Here are some key trends. So, first trend is classroom action research (CAR). Teaching methodologies have evolved significantly from the traditional lecture listener model to more interactive and student-centered approach. This shift recognizes that education is no longer just about delivering content, about what engaging students in the learning process as active participants. Classroom action research is a valuable tool for educators seeking to improve their teaching practices and enhance students' learning outcomes. CAR is a form of practitioner research focused on examining and improving teaching and learning in the classroom context. Now, how can we define it? So, here is the definition. CAR involves teachers systematically investigating their own classroom practices to improve their effectiveness. Unlike traditional research, which often aims to generate new knowledge or test theory, CAR is more practical and focused on solving specific problems with the classroom. The primary purpose of CAR is to identify and address areas of improvement in teaching practices, thereby enhancing students' learning experience. So here is the CAR process. CAR typically follows a cyclical process comprising 4 key stages. The very first stage is planning. Teachers begin with identifying a specific issue or area for improvement within their classroom. This could be related to students' engagement, comprehension of a particular topic, or the classroom management. Teachers then develop a plan of action to address the identified issues, which may involve trying out new teaching strategies, modifying existing practices, or implementing new resources. Second is acting. Teacher implement the planned action in their classroom. This stage involves executing the new strategies or changes and collecting relevant data to evaluate their effectiveness. The action should be carefully documented to ensure that the research process is transparent and reproducible. Next is observing. During the implementation phase, teacher observe the effect of the changes on the student's behavior and learning outcomes. Data collection methods may include students assessment, feedback survey, classroom observation, and the other form of evidence. This stage is crucial for understanding how the practices impact students' performance and engagement. Reflecting. After collecting and analyzing data, teachers reflect on the outcomes. They assess whether the changes led to the desired improvement and consider what works well and what did not. This reflection informs the next cycle of CAR, allowing the teachers to refine their approaches and continue improving their practices. It is the stage of CAR. In my next lecture, I will discuss more. Thank you so much.